Welcome to Business Live. I am Mark Croskery in BL tonight. Major company Massy Holdings Limited. Notice of appointment of a senior officer here. Massy states to the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE Advisory, Mr. David O'Brien was appointed as Executive VP Vice President Global Expansion. Big time title here by Massy, effective October 1, 2022. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, MJE, not Mayberry Investment Bank, not an investment banking company, but MJE listed on the JSE. Updated NAV, net asset value here. MJE updated NAV for the market as at the end of September 30th, just below Jamaican $16 per share. It was $15.70. Eppley Caribbean Property Fund Limited, really focused here, regional real estate, Caribbean real estate, industrial, commercial, so forth. Eppley Caribbean Property Fund here Limited, share buyback advisory. The company advises that they have purchased just over 143,000 shares. That's CPFV. Nice purchase here, a big purchase here. They were purchased between September 28th and September 30th of this year under the company's Value Fund share buyback program. The company goes on to state the source of funding was the cash on the company's balance sheets, and the shares were repurchased on the open market via their broker, NCB Capital Markets Limited, well-known stock brokerage in Jamaica. Now, Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited, continuing in the financial sector, trading in their shares as well. In this case, small trade here. Executives selling down a total of 4,500 Sagicor Group Jamaica shares on September 29th, 2022. Now, international markets, some economic data here, some macroeconomic data. U.S. unemployment rate falls to 3.5% in September, much better than forecast at 3.7%. So payrolls, that's non-farm payrolls, are rising and staying strong in the U.S. here. Good indicator. They actually rose by 263,000. That was forecast to be 275,000, so not as good, but it could have been worse. Headline here, though, bottom line is 3.5% unemployment rate. Interesting statistics to join this. Average hourly earnings increased 5% from 1 year ago or year over year. And the sectors that did well in September: healthcare, business and professional services, leisure and hospitality led the gains overall for this whole non-farm payroll numbers. And looking at the unemployment, non-farm payroll numbers provided by the Dow Jones forecast. We could, of course, get some more estimates, statistics, data points right here in Jamaica and the Caribbean. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live. Have a fantastic evening.